Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to differentiate between brittle and ductile materials. Let's start with polymers and select them all. The polystyrene, perspex, and polyethylene. And we're going to plot their graph with a stress-strain relationship. And now we will load them all. Of the three polymer specimens, which are the brittle and which are the ductile specimens? The first specimen is the perspex and the second one is polyethylene. So what's your answer? Yes, the polystyrene and perspex are brittle because they only stretch elastically, and once they reach the elastic limit, they fracture or break. However, regarding polyethylene, it stretches elastically, reaches the elastic limit, and deforms plastically. So polyethylene is ductile. Now let's check the copper specimens. And let's stretch them. How can you tell from its stress-strain graph that copper is a ductile metal? Yes, since the graph extends beyond the elastic limit, copper has both behaviors, elastic and plastic. So copper is a ductile material. Why copper is more suitable than steel for making coins? We will stretch copper and steel specimens So why is copper more suitable than steel for making coins? Yes, since copper discs can be shaped by stamping to make coins, actually steel would break rather than changing shape. So steel is a brittle material that doesn't change its shape. However, it breaks rather than copper that stretches elastically and plastically to change its shape.